you just started a business, you're intermediate, or you're advanced, there's something for you at DecoSummit.
After going through the training sessions and going through the classes, it's like, I can do this.
Learning more about Ricoma, learning more how the embroidery machines work and getting set up, and just meeting the people here and having an environment where everybody's learning together is pretty exciting. It's pretty unique.
Fun meeting people and finding out more about their background, what they do, and just, why they're here.
My favorite actually is the Ricoma staff because everyone has a family atmosphere here.
Now I feel like I have a network of people that I know personally that I can reach out to.
It taught me so many things that I didn't know, so it's really, really exciting to see everybody out here enjoying themselves, networking, learning new things, getting hands-on training with the machine.
I learned a lot today, and I'm going to take this knowledge and I'm going to move forward. I'm going to grow in my business.
Everyone's been exceptionally helpful. Yeah, we'll definitely be here next year again. It's been great.
Next year, you got to come. You've got to come.
This is great to be here. If you're in this business, you need to come here.